Introducing in the early part of the month in February our new balm style. So this is going to be an SPF 40, infinitely reusable tin, no plastic at all. As soon as I put it on, completely gone. We will be offering the flip cap style as well as an atomized version. So now we'll have a spray, will not burn your eyes, it will not fog your mask, and it will not do any harm to the reef.
Hey all, Thomas here at DEMA 2023, taking a look at the Stream2Sea booth. For those of you that know, I love Stream2Sea products. The conditioner, the shampoo itself are some of the best I've ever used. A little bit goes such a long way, so it really lasts a long time. You get value for your money. They're introducing a few new products today, so Dre from the Stream2Sea team is going to walk us through some of the new products, showcase those for you, and you can check them out online on their website, as well as at your local scuba diving shops when they are Stream2Sea dealers. And if they don't carry the product yet, tell them to sign up. Let's go ahead and check it out with Dre.
Hi, I'm Andrea. I represent Stream2Sea for the Hawaii and Western Pacific region, and here at DEMA in New Orleans, I have a couple of new products to introduce you to that have joined our line. So, we come over here, you can see that we've had our non-toxic defog the entire time, but now we will be offering the flip cap style as well as an atomized version. So now we'll have a spray, will not burn your eyes, it will not fog your mask, and it will not do any harm to the reef. One drop of baby shampoo full of sodium lauryl sulfate, one drop in a 20-gallon tank will kill all the fish in 3 hours. So please, if you do nothing else, stop using baby shampoo. Highly toxic for our reef. In addition to our defog, we also have our new See Clearly Mask Scrub Kit. This is going to be a mask prep. So anytime you buy a new mask, purchase one of these at your local dive shop. 2 pieces in here. We have our scrub itself, non-toxic, biodegradable, no phosphates, no microplastics. Also, no crystals, so it will not etch your masks. And then a sample size of our defog to use in conjunction. So that is our See Clearly Scrub Kit. Additionally, in the spring, no specific release date yet, but in an early spring, we will have our eardrop. And our eardrop is a combination of 45% isopropyl alcohol, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of glycerin, coconut oil, lavender oil, and oregano leaf oil. This product is designed to be a post-dive drop. It will have surface tension breaker from the alcohol, which will allow the water to evaporate, has the vinegar for the antibacterial properties, and the other emollients to prevent any drying or cracking of the ear canal or the eardrum itself. So this will be coming out. There will also be a pre-drop kit that'll be offered in both, and then you'll be able to order the post on its own. And then we're excited to introduce our 4th variety of sunscreen, our 4th option. We've had the Everyday Actives for some time now. These are a zinc product. We've had our Water Sport, which are a titanium product, titanium dioxide. We have our Eco Sticks, which is a combination of those 2 things. And now we will be introducing in the early part of the month in February our new balm style. So this is going to be an SPF 40. And just because this is not single use, a lot of people, I'm going to give myself a spritz of hand sanitizer and then show you how sheerly this product goes on. So I have nothing on my hand. Open this up. Infinitely reusable tin, no plastic at all. Beautiful colors. Looks really nice on the display. Give it a nice little rub around. You can see the whiteness here. As soon as I put it on, completely gone. So it is a sheer zinc, still non-nano, will not absorb into your skin, will not do any damage to the reef. It's just a really lovely emollient, smoothing product that can be used over your entire body. So that is our new additions to our line. And of course, we will always have our leave-in conditioner, our shampoo and body wash, our lip balms. We've got sun and sting gel that works on jellyfish, bee stings, mosquito bites, and if you are not careful and don't reapply, sunburn. Any questions for me?
I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Thanks.